Check this out. I just repurposed my bourgeois wooden box, encouraged by the Oyster Master Guild, of course. Let's look under the hood. I'm just playing with this. I haven't filled it up yet. Let's see. Got some notes here from one of my pop-ups. And I put some oyster knives in here. I put a cloth in here. Oh, that's bright. Yeah, got all kinds of knives. Got my special fish adhesive knife in here. I have a charger. So far, took that note from Patty. But totally encouraged by Oyster Master Guild to make a little oyster toolbox on the go. What are you doing with your oyster boxes, people? You gotta repurpose them. It's so much fun. Like I have this, and I have the purse. This one has a latch. Open. Look at this. Look at that. Fits about 8 oysters, depending on the size, and an oyster knife, and a cloth. And have you seen the table? I repurposed a Maraschino Bay box into a table. It sure helps to have a talented neighbor who loves to repurpose these oyster boxes. So let me know what else you think I should put inside of my new oyster toolbox. And if you like oysters as much as I do, then go ahead and take an Oyster Master Guild class. Check out the Oyster Master Guild and repurpose your oyster boxes. Oh, and have you seen the birdhouse? Check it out. Tweet, tweet.